Aquarium kit. 3-gallon, cube-shaped complete aquarium kit perfect for betta fish, goldfish, guppies, or small tropical fish. Includes filter. Includes an air pump-driven Tetra Whisper power filter to keep your tank clean and provide a healthy environment for pet fish. Stylish. Features LED lights to highlight your fish and an attractive pedestal base. Convenient. Clear canopy has a hole for easy feeding. Dimensions. 10 inches deep by 10 inches wide x 10. Equipped with a Tetra 3i filter to keep your tank clean and provide a perfect environment for small tropical fish. The tank features an LED light to highlight your fish. The lid features a convenient feeding hole for small tropical fish, goldfish, or a betta. Top reviews from the United States. Honest review from an experienced fish owner. I decided to introduce a betta sorority in my biggest tank, and had an aggressive female who attacked and killed other fish. I only had a 1-gallon to keep her in, I didn't have a money to spend on a lot of equipment, and I didn't really have room for any more aquariums. I grabbed one of these from Amazon warehouse at a steal, and as somewhat knowledgeable aquarium owner I wanted to give my impressions. Filter pump noise level. Probably the biggest thing on everyone's mind concerning this purchase. Let me assure you it is absolutely silent with very low agitation. I have 4 different sized filter pumps and this is the most quiet, albeit smallest one. There is absolutely no friggin' way for your fish to get sucked into it. The water inlet hole is about as big as a lead pencil. It has just enough movement to circulate the water through a very small charcoal filter. You don't even so much as hear water trickling because there is very little movement. The Tetra Whisper 3i is a hang-on-the-inside style filter, and the impeller snaps onto the bottom of the reservoir, so there are no hoses. The trick is everything needs to fit together snug and tight. You really have to force the impeller housing onto the end of the reservoir to get a good fit. There is also a clip to attach so you can hang it on the aquarium and you really have to push in tight so it's stable. I adjusted it to the tallest height setting and filled the water level to the appropriate height in my pictures. If you look at them you can see I added a piece of rubber drawer liner to the clip to act as a vibration dampener. It also says in the instruction manual that you can order suction cups if you have a problem with the clip for some reason.